Hey guys, it's Fun. I'm back from our YouTube short. Today I'm taste testing a Hershey's milk chocolate covered marshmallow heart. Yeah, I know I'm definitely way behind for Valentine's Day on this one. I didn't even know this existed, alright? Cut me some slack. Well, it's definitely seen some better days. Set design, I would say, is a 6. Yeah, because it is still a heart. Give it a try. Just chocolate and marshmallow. It's pretty simple. Probably people not using this for s'mores. Flavor wise, I like it. 7.7 out of 10.